This is a super video important video because I'm going to teach you how to make unique content on internet, reels, wherever you want to upload content on whatever platform. And I will teach you how to be different in whatever you did. Bro, let me second here because I forget for completely put the timeline. Yeah, right now I have the time. So everyone is copying. If you go to internet, if you go like platform like IG, you will see a lot of people copy each other, and it's normal. It's completely normal. Bro, there's videos like they're super similar to those videos that was viral. And why was viral? Because the idea was super good. The idea of the video. I know it's not bad. I'm not saying it's bad, but there are a lot of people that do that, and they don't different from others. But the video works. The video works, but it's so similar, bro, and I hate that. For that, I want you to be different. I want you to be different, and this what I'm doing right now to be different in order to make unique content and people likes to watch me. Right now, this video is not famous. It's not gonna be viral. I don't know. I don't care if this video is gonna be viral because this is not my intention. My intention is learn English and teach you how my progress, how I'm going to learn English, and everything I'm learning. I talk about everything. Really, I talk about everything, but I talk about my nose, and I will do that every day. So the first thing you have to understand is about your identity, who you are, and that's super important. And that's why it's super important that you need to know yourself, who you are, because who you are, you're gonna attract people from who you are. So we say that you like skateboard, you like the style of people on the street. We say that. So you're gonna attract those people because your hobbies is something that make you unique because you're attracting people that likes what you likes, and that's why it's super important that you show your life, you show who you are, to be unique, to be different from gurus that only teach information. You got it? So what I'm doing is making my own identity, finding who I am, what is my identity right now, who I want to be on social media, because our identity is making for others, right? We say, because look, identities come from others. We are unique because we grab a little bit things about others. We say that we like the shoes, we like the shoes of our friends. So we grab, I mean, look, I like that style, so I copy them, I put it on myself. It's become me because I'm using it. So we say my friend have a DG, so I buy one, and that form part of my identity. I'm using a DG microphone on social media. Okay, that makes my identity in social media. For example, if I use always these pens to always record my videos, that become my visual identity. Visual identity. And the way you speak, the way you communicate is your identity. Okay? And identity is something that you always do it. You have to be constant. Fuck the you know the I don't know how to call it, the lie loud, because the sound, fucking sound. It's 5 minutes. Oh shit. So anyway, oh bueno, whatever. The last thing, I don't know. Be yourself in social media. Be unique, and you will see how you're gonna grow. So a task I want to tell you is that consume too much, learn from others, copy from others, steal from others, and make your identity by making a vision board. I think it's a mood board, and I will teach you about that soon. So don't worry. Bye.